Okay, MIT 812. I'm going to use this video clip to show you how I use iMovie to edit videos. Of course, before you can edit a video, you need to go and find them. So I went to YouTube and I found this coin value song, and I also found another one called Harry Money, and I want to use those two videos to edit inside iMovie. But I don't know if you know how to get YouTube movies out and download it as an MP4 so you can work with them. If you don't know how, simply go to YouTube, find the video you want, right click on it, copy video URL, and then you got to go find an application that will convert YouTube videos back to MP4 format. So I've got this one that I like to use called Clip Grab. And go here to the field and right click and paste in the URL that I just copied, and you see coin value song, pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters. It's identified the clip in YouTube. It knows where it is. I press grab this clip, and then it's going to say, okay, well, where do you want to save it? I'm going to save it to my desktop. I already have it there. I don't want to save it again. But if I press save, it would just export it out, and you'd see a progress bar open up down here. I don't want to save it again, though. Okay, so then I got the videos out, but this one's 2 minutes and 15 seconds. This one's 2 minutes and 26 seconds, and I don't need quite that much time. So I'm going to use iMovie to clip them down, and I've already done a little bit of that work here. You see I have the intro, I cut some part off the beginning of the song, and then I cut the bridge out of the song, and I want to bookend my Harry Money video in between those two bookends. So here's iMovie. You open it up, My Movie. I haven't really saved anything in there yet. I can go ahead and drag and drop the beginning part of Mr. R's coin song. It will play through. I've cut out so much of it right there. Only about 49 seconds of it. Then I'm going to drag in the Harry Money video that I borrowed. Like I was saying, there's some stuff in here that I don't want. This teacher's talking to her students about 50-cent pieces, and I don't want to talk about 50-cent pieces. So I'm going to use iMovie to show you how easy it is to clip pieces out of a video you don't want. I'm going to roll the playhead back until I get right here where it stops talking about what the quarter is supposed to look like with the hair on it, and double click so that the line turns yellow right here. Okay. Then if I right click, I can choose split clip. And that does separate the part that I want from the part that I don't want. And I'll roll through until she's done talking about the 50-cent piece. Back it up. Again, double click right there. Right click, split clip. And now I can, if I select it, right click, delete. That part of the clip is gone. I don't need it anymore. And then I'll go here. She's got her own outro. I'm going to give her credit if I use it. But I want to cut that out of my presentation where it starts to talk about her class. And cut it right here where the people are cheering because the presentation's over. Again, double click to get the playhead where I want it to be. Right click, split clip. And now I can select this and delete it. So now I can put in the coin outro that I've already trimmed the same way that I just showed you how to trim the POW tune, and drop it in, and we have my finalized video edit. Put it here. You can preview it. I will not make you listen to this song all the way through. Okay, you'd see it transition through here, then it'd get to the part about the POW tune. She's going to teach her kids all about Harry Money. Really cute video she recorded. Then we'd get to the end of her video. Kids are cheering, yay, right? And then it'd go back to the coin. Once you're finished, you want to export it out to YouTube or wherever you're going. You go to projects. It's going to ask you to save it. Call this the coin song and POW tune. OK right here. And then I would share the project however I want. I can save it as a file of MP4 on my desktop, or I can send it right out to YouTube. All right. So thank you for your time. I hope that you maybe learned something new.